Hi, it's Chris White at the California Fuel Cell Partnership, and I am just back from Long Beach, where I was down there for the California Hydrogen Business Council meeting and ACT Expo. At the meetings, I heard two pieces of news. The first from Ballard, that they had their first profitable quarter ever in fuel cells. Go Ballard. And also from Plug Power, where they are going to add 5% more fuel cell forklifts on the road as they start a new Walmart distribution center in Pennsylvania today. Some other news we saw online. The first is, while I was at ACT Expo, a number of my coworkers and colleagues were at Cal State LA, where they opened their new hydrogen station. About 150 people and lots of media attendance. I bet you'll see that online at cafcp.org/news. We also heard that during the 2020 Olympic Games, Japan is going to use fuel cell vehicles to transport the athletes. You may remember that that happened during the Beijing Olympics as well. And last, we want to give a big shout out to Jackie Birdsall. She used to work for us here at the Fuel Cell Partnership and has gone on to Toyota, who is featuring her right now with all of her love for everything automotive. So make sure you read those stories about Jackie and all of the others on our website, cafcp.org/news. That's it for this week. Bye.